Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. I just put this look together, guys. Glitter with eyeliner, graphic eyeliner on my hooded droopy eyes. Guys, I love this look. So guys, I hope you're doing well. If you want to know how I put this look together, what I use, guys, please just keep watching. While you are here, guys, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the other side. Try. Okay, of course, I've done my base out of the way. So I just use a Revolution eye base, ultimate eye base. So I will just dab it all over my lid. Then I will use this palette called the Book of Magic. I'll use the dark shade, which is the black shade of the palette. Guys, you're gonna be watching me dancing and all because the music is on and I am dancing. Lack of concentration, I tell you. The weather is good, the music is nice. Come on now, guys. Then I move on to use that dark blue shade, you know, to lighten it a little bit. Then I'll use the light blue shade to furthermore blend the black shade. So this shade now, I will take it forward. I'm going to take this shade right forward to my, all over my lid, I will say. So I'm using that same shade. I'm just dapping it down. Keep dapping it down. Just dapping it down as much as I can. Keep going back to the palm to make sure I cover all the base. So I just blend the both shade now together. I'm still using that same blue shade. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. So I'm still blending. Right now, all I need to do is just blend. It's really noisy outside today. The weather is brilliant. So I'll take this pastel blue. So I will use this to blend everywhere. So it's all about blending now. Yeah, I was gonna block the camera then. So it's all about blending now. Just need to blend all the shade right together. Okay, okie dokie. Keep blending. If you can blend, you can do eyeshadow. Then I went back in with that same brush, a little bit of product with that black shade because I want that area to be really deep. Here's the glitter I'm using. Guys, I am dancing. I put a glitter face I bought on Amazon, put it down on my lid. Then I just want to put this glitter on top of it. So the glitter face, of course, it will help the glitter to stay on my eyelid. To use glitter on hooded eye is one of the difficult things. Look at me, just look at me. Julia, get on with it. I am dancing, guys. Hey, so I will use high veins for my waterline. Keep dancing before you poke your eye, Julia. You're on your own, oh, hey. So I use high veins. I'm just gonna use that shade, that blue shade, to blend it. Julia is not concentrating at all. When the music is on, guys, it's so hard. But that is the thing, though. The power in music is just like something else. Put you in a good mood. She's still dancing. So I'll go and do the other eye off camera, guys. Then apply lashes. Here I am, guys. After I finished dancing, dance the whole house down that day. Here is now the final look, guys. What do you guys think? I love this. I like glitter anyway. I really like, you know, using different type of glitter on my eyelid. It is my hooded eye that is stopping me. And I also use lime shade from our water activated graphic liner shade lime, you know, just to give me something different. I truly love this wipe. I truly love the eye look I put together right now. And it looks like I'm going to party, guys. So guys, please like this video, share this video, just a quick one, guys. And also make sure follow me on social media and subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.